Okay, dear students, welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the several noise model. As we study in the restoration process of the image, we want to remove the noise, and to remove the noise we must know that what are the different noise models. Basically, noise occurs either in the acquisition of the image or in the transmission of the image through the channel. So that should be removed. If we are familiar with the noise model, then we can remove it. Otherwise, it is not possible to remove it completely. So there are the many some functions like the point spreading function PSF. Another is the modulation transfer function MTF, probability density function PDF or histogram is used to design the and characterize the noise models. So generally we use the PDF probability density function. Here we will the different type of the noise models. Like first, that is the Gaussian noise model. It is also called an electronic noise because it arises in basically amplifier or detectors. Amplifiers at transmitting end generally, detectors at the receiving end. Gaussian noise is the nature of, and if we take the PDF of the Gaussian noise that is shown by this equation. Here G is the gray value, then sigma is the standard deviation, mu is the mean. Generally, Gaussian noise mathematical model represent the correct approximation of the real world scenarios. Variance is 0.1 here, and 256 gray levels in terms of the PDF are considered. So that is drawn here, that we see here that such type of characteristics will come if we draw its PDF. Now, due to this equal randomness and normalized Gaussian noise curve like bell shape, PDF of this noise model shows that 70% to 90% noise pixels values of degraded image in between mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma. As shown here, the mostly degraded pixels are available in this part, 80 to 70 to 80%. If we are familiar that what are the such type of curve are coming, then we can compare the different type of degraded image by drawing their patterns, by drawing their calculating their PDF. Now white noise is identified by, because we know that noise is essentially identified by noise power. नॉइज पावर स्पेक्ट्रम इज कांस्टेंट इन वाइट नॉइज में कांस्टेंट होता है जनरली, इट इज नॉट गॉसियन नॉइज. देन we however Gaussian property implies the white noise, but we cannot say that Gaussian noise or white noise are the same. Correlation is not possible because of every pixel value are different from their neighbors. In this noise, correlation is not possible. Now the Brownian noise or fractal noise, that is a colored noise, has many names. Brownian noise, pink noise, flicker noise, 1 upon f noise. Then power spectral density is proportional to square of frequency in such a type of noise. Brownian motion seen due to the random movement of the suspended particle in fluid, and fractal noise is caused by natural process. It is different from Gaussian process visualized in onion cells from Brownian motion. नेचुरल फिनोमेना की वजह से जो नॉइज दैट इज जनरेटेड वी कैन ऑब्जर्व हियर. Power spectral of the fractal noise decaying continuously due to increase in frequency. Now we can also observe the impulse valued noise. It is very important. Many times we use for testing our filters like salt and pepper noise. This is also called a data drop noise because statically it drops the original data values. Suppose there are the some pixels of the image have the some pixels, and values of these pixels are given. Due to this pepper noise, the middle pixel central pixel value is 0. The percentage wise estimation of noisy pixels directly determined from pixel matrix. PDF of this noise is also shown here. It have the two PDF PA and PB. Generally salt and paper noise में we are observing here there are two PDF of it, but here the gray level, one is for the gray level, that is indicated by region A, another one is the dark region where gray level is large called region B, and in the A region gray level is less. In this way we can see its PDF. Then periodic noise. This noise is generated from electronics interference, especially in the power signal during image acquisition. Then it is appear in the form of conjugate spot in frequency domain. Quantization noise appear in the inherent in amplitude quantization process. It is generally present due to analog data converted into the digital data. When we convert analog signal into the digital signal, we use the IC. It contains the several components. Due to this noise occur, and in this model the SNR signal to noise ratio is limited by minimum and maximum pixel value, that is denoted by P minimum and P maximum, by which we can calculate the SNR value, where we can also observe its PDF, that is shown here. Then speckle noise is multiplicative noise. Their appearance is seen in coherent imaging system such as laser, radar, and acoustic systems. We can observe the such type of noise. Probability density function follow gamma distribution, which is shown in figure 6, that is shown here, and that is we can see on this image. Now come to the photon noise, poison noise. Appearance of this noise is seen due to the statistical nature of the electromagnetic waves such as X-ray, visible light, and gamma rays, due to which it generate the noise obey the Poisson distribution and is given as P f is equal to lambda की पावर k I e की पावर माइनस lambda upon factorial k. Poisson Gaussian noise is also present. The proposed model work for removing the Poisson Gaussian noise that is arose in magnetic resonance imaging MRI technique में such type of noise is generally arise. In this way, we can say there are the several type of the Gaussian noise in home image. We can observe that what is the effect of this noise on the home image. Structured noise are periodic, stationary, non-stationary, and aperiodic in nature. It can be in the several forms. It is available. It is available basically in the communication channels. में ये such type of noise are available. That is denoted by the equation 11 and 12 से हम इसको indicate कर रहे हैं. And that is the signal and image that is shown here. Now the gamma noise is also present, and the gamma noise is generally seen in the laser based image system. It obeys the gamma distribution, and PDF of the gamma noise is shown, that is like the bell shaped curve, little bit similar to the bell shaped curve we have seen. Then Rayleigh noise is also the noise that is present, and the PDF of the Rayleigh noise is shown here. In this way, we conclude that there are the several noise model during image acquisition and transmission. Noise is seen in images. This is characterized by noise model. So study of the noise model is very important part in image processing. On the other hand, image denoising is necessary action in image processing operation. Without the prior knowledge of noise model, we cannot elaborate and perform the denoising action. Okay, thank you very much.